Oh, this is so exciting but scary.
Look, you could. It looks like it's on the ground. Holy shit, man.
Crap, no signal. Well, of course, it's fucking tornado cell right there. Now it's going back up. Yep.
Okay, it's going back up.
Holy shit, that's cool. We're gonna have to go across space. I'm
Go in
so.
cross space.
Yeah, go in there then.
It is on the ground. Look at all that stuff. Holy crap.
Shit. I want to tell those guys about to say, look at that fucking tornado.
Shut up.
Holy shit, this is time.
Holy crap.
I'm so excited. I just fucking transformed.
That's really freaking cool, though.
Oh, I gotta tell Mama about this. I'm gonna tell her.
Look, Billy, it's huge.
Oh my god. Holy shit, this is cool.
Look, it's on the ground. It's a huge tornado.
Oh, yeah, it's on the ground.
Oh my god, that's huge. Oh my god, that's huge. Good thing it's nowhere near the Frenchman's Head area. That's huge, though.
But Hudson, it just went up. It just seen it. Me. Oh my god. You should have took a pic.
Say I am for me.
What?
I know. See, the tree's getting in the way. Holy crap.
Oh, we could just stand over there. That's so fucking far.
Okay, it's going back up.
Holy crap, man. Shit.
Holy crap.
So spell I am for you?